For the first time in months, Bitcoin and Ethereum are moving in completely opposite directions. And if you're not paying attention, this could wreck your entire portfolio. Here's what is happening right now on May 27th. Bitcoin is holding relatively strong near key support levels, but Ethereum just slipped through a critical zone while the stock market wobbles. That decoupling between the two biggest cryptos is not normal. Historically, BTC and ETH move together roughly 85% of the time. When that correlation breaks, something big usually follows. Now let us bring gold into the picture. Gold has been on an absolute tear, pushing toward record levels as institutional money rotates into safe havens. When you see gold surging and crypto diverging internally, that is a textbook risk-off signal from the broader market. Smart money is hedging hard. So why is ETH falling while BTC holds steady? A few reasons. First, Bitcoin is increasingly treated as digital gold, a store of value play. Institutional ETF flows keep propping it up. Ethereum, on the other hand, is tied directly to the DeFi and altcoin ecosystem. When altcoins bleed, ETH bleeds with them. Second, look at the stock market correlation. The S&P 500 has shown real weakness over the past week, and historically, when equities pull back, altcoins get hit harder than Bitcoin. That is the leverage unwind effect. Traders with exposure across both crypto and stocks start selling the most volatile positions first, which means ETH and smaller altcoins absorb the biggest damage. Now here's where it gets critical for today. If Bitcoin breaks below its current support, that BTC ETH divergence could snap back violently. Both would drop, but Ethereum could accelerate to the downside because it is already showing structural weakness. On the flip side, if BTC holds and stocks stabilize through the session, ETH could see a sharp recovery bounce as the correlation normalizes. The key levels to watch right now. Bitcoin needs to defend its 20-day moving average. If it loses that level on volume, the crash scenario becomes very real. For Ethereum, watch the previous weekly low. A clean break below that confirms the bearish divergence is not just noise. Gold traders, pay attention to the inverse. If gold keeps climbing while crypto weakens, institutions are still rotating out of risk assets and the selling is not done. Here's the bottom line. When BTC and ETH stop moving together, the market is sending you a message. Either a crash is loading or a massive opportunity is forming right in front of you. The difference comes down to preparation. Subscribe to Bitcoin Daily and turn on notifications so you catch these signals before the move happens, not after.